Hello and welcome. This is Long Range Systems UK offices. We have some products that we've developed here in the UK that are specifically from this office actually, and the integration of paging equipment into fire alarm systems is something we've moved towards looking at a solution for regarding paging. We have two systems. One's called the DeafSafe Integra, which is what we're going to look at today, well, in this video at least. And I have another one called the DeafSafe Ultra, which integrates as compliant in other ways, and which I'm going to cover later. So first of all, the DeafSafe Integra is designed to be fitted to any old, regular, smaller type of fire alarm system. This is DeafSafe Integra transmitter. It's a very simple device. You can see that there are connections on here for the controls of the unit regarding triggering. We might have, well actually in fact there are four sensors. So we could have fire alarm 1, fire alarm 2, we could have fire alarm 3 or engineer or whatever you want to connect these to in the fire alarm panel. Well, very straightforward really. It'll mount into the fire alarm box. You have an antenna that it comes with. You mount that on the box too, externally. And there's a little cable that comes and connects from here, you can see. So it all comes complete. You can also get a cable for programming, which is nice. We'll cover programming of this unit and indeed the DeafSafe Ultra in a different video, so look out for that one too. So really you're getting everything, and you need a pager as well, of course. A deaf person needs a pager, and we can talk about that a bit later. This also can be programmed, and it's nice and simple and straightforward, so as I said we'll cover that a bit later. The Integra itself is a low-powered product. It works at 459.100 megahertz, so that's an allocated frequency for paging equipment here in the UK. This one's CE approved and rush compliant and all the other things that you might want to relate it to. Now I'm going to read some of the technical specifications down here. I mean, it'll alert the deaf and hearing impaired in the event of a fire via a personal pager. That's what the system does. It helps compliance really with DDA. It's visual and it's vibrating alert by an LRS alphanumeric pager, which I've showed you. It's all very nice and simple. It's compatible with all fire alarm control panels because it's all a simple open and close. Now it can be closed or it can be open. You can program it either way. You can also program the messages in here that go out, so you can customize messages. If you've got a fire panel that can alert an engineer, you could put an engineering message so the engineer would get that message and the deaf person wouldn't, because the systems can support an individual pager, a group of pagers, or every pager depending on how it's set up. All very easy. This is expandable to cover every size of building, although this unit will only do sort of 50 to 80 meters. It doesn't go very far by itself. We have a signal boost repeater that goes substantially further. Indeed, the signal boost repeater would go up to 2 miles if we were standing in open air, so that's a substantial range. Now you might need even a number of those repeaters if you're in a very big site, but for your average small site you might need one repeater. You might not even need a repeater. It depends. It's all site related for this product. This is literally 10 milliwatts output. So it's not a high output product, it's not designed to be, so it doesn't use much current and things like that, so it's all very good and well suited towards really what the fire alarm industry is about regarding deaf people. As I said, there are 4 programmable inputs. At the moment we send this out with fire, fault, no connection, and normally closed and normally open, so that's 4. This adheres to BS 5839 Part 1 2013. It's a self-contained unit available with EN54-4 approved power supply and battery condition monitoring. There's a loop activated and monitored version available. There's full UK support from this office, so or your distributor, of course. If you need that support, well, it's very simple. If you've got these videos, a series of videos, you probably don't need any support. It's really that simple. That is a simple overview of the DeafSafe Integra. It's a complete system, like I said. Even comes with 2 batteries for the pager. If you have any other questions, please contact either us directly if you're a distributor, or your distributor if you bought from a distributor. Thank you.